Hi, um, I'm back for weather blog, day 2. Um, Today has been a really interesting day. Um, we're in the 60s earlier today. We're really cloudy, um, and it did rain just a little bit. It has been mostly cloudy all day, but we are now getting some east northeast winds. And when we get east northeast winds, the winds are coming from the ocean, which means that they're cooler winds since the ocean is in the 40s right now. So yes, our temperature has dropped. It is right now 53. It is chilly in the air. You can feel the chill in the air. Still comfortable, but you can feel the wind. So that has been the forecast today. It shouldn't get chilly. Forecast is around 52 or something. So um, the temperature should be steady today. But so far, it wasn't a bad day. Um, and that's today's weather. Peace.